everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another video on how to log into your ESPN Plus account using your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by opening up a web browser. In the address bar at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in www.espn.com/ESPN Plus. Press the enter on your keyboard and you'll find yourself in the official web page, which looks like this. Go to the top right hand corner and mouse over to this human icon, which will bring up a pop-up menu. Go ahead and click on the login button in order to log into your account. Now, right where it says username or email address, go ahead and type in your username or your email address for your ESPN account. Make sure to type in your information correct. After you're done, head over to the password field and type in your password. If you're having trouble remembering your password or your email address, you can click on Need Help Logging In link right beneath the login button and follow through. If you don't have an account yet for ESPN Plus, click on the Sign Up button and register yourself for a new account. Once you are done entering all of your credentials correct, you can click on the Login button and you'll be logged into your ESPN Plus account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.